Welcome back to Technology Review, where we deep dive into cutting-edge tech that's reshaping the industry. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind Apple's next-generation M4 Ultra Mac Studio, which promises to be the most powerful desktop computer ever made. With groundbreaking specs, innovative designs, and jaw-dropping performance benchmarks, this machine is set to redefine what a desktop powerhouse can do. The legacy of the Mac Studio. Apple first introduced the Mac Studio in 2022, designed to fill a niche between the Mac Mini and the Mac Pro. Compact yet bursting with raw power, the Mac Studio became the go-to desktop for professionals and creatives who demanded top-tier performance in a sleek, minimalist form. A brief history. 2022 launch. The Mac Studio debuted with the M1 Max and the revolutionary M1 Ultra, combining two M1 Max chips into a single architecture. This setup delivered a performance leap unheard of in consumer desktops. 2023 upgrade. Apple followed up with the M2 Max and M2 Ultra, retaining the Mac Studio's compact design, but doubling down on raw performance. What's new in 2025? Fast forward to 2025, and the Mac Studio is preparing to blow past all expectations with the M4 Ultra, a chip that's poised to dominate the desktop market. Let's break down everything we know about this next-gen device. M4 Ultra, the next evolution in power. At the heart of the new Mac Studio is the M4 Ultra, Apple's latest custom silicon. This chip isn't just an incremental update. It's a quantum leap forward in performance and efficiency. Specifications and performance. Core architecture. 8 efficiency cores handle routine tasks with minimal power consumption. 24 performance cores take on demanding workflows like 8K video editing and advanced AI model training. This setup surpasses the M2 Ultra, which featured 8 efficiency cores and 16 performance cores. Performance benchmarks. Single-core score. Approximate 4,100, a 30% improvement over the M2 Ultra. Multi-core score, exceeding 40,000, making it the most powerful chip ever featured in a consumer desktop. Graphics power. The M4 Ultra's GPU is expected to deliver over 336,000 in performance benchmarks, offering unparalleled capabilities for rendering, gaming, and virtual reality. Thunderbolt 5 and connectivity. One of the standout features of the upcoming Mac Studio is the introduction of Thunderbolt 5, which offers faster data transfer rates, up to 80 gigabits per second, perfect for professionals handling large media files. Support for high-resolution displays, seamlessly connect multiple 8K monitors. Enhanced peripheral integration, future-proof your workflow with broader compatibility. Design and aesthetics. Apple isn't just focused on performance. They're also refining the Mac Studio's visual appeal and usability. Compact but cool. The Mac Studio retains its signature square form factor, but comes with upgraded cooling mechanisms to handle the M4 Ultra's power. This ensures the system runs quietly even during heavy workloads. Color options. A rumored space black finish might join the lineup, adding a sleek, professional vibe to the Mac Studio's aesthetic. This complements the classic silver design, giving users a choice that aligns with their style. Release date and pricing. Apple is expected to unveil the M4 Ultra Mac Studio at WWDC 2025, with pre-orders opening shortly after. The anticipated release timeline includes announcement, June 2025 at WWDC. Pre-orders, mid-June 2025. Shipping date, late June or early July 2025. Price estimates. While official pricing is still under wraps, industry insiders predict. Base model, M4 Max, $2,999. M4 Ultra configuration, starting at $3,999, with fully loaded models reaching up to $6,000. Why choose the Mac Studio M4 Ultra? If you're a video editor, 3D artist, or software developer, the M4 Ultra Mac Studio is set to revolutionize your workflow. Here's why. Unmatched performance. Whether you're rendering 8K videos or training machine learning models, the M4 Ultra delivers unrivaled speed and efficiency. Future-proof connectivity. With Thunderbolt 5, you're ready for the next generation of peripherals and displays. Compact design. Power doesn't have to mean bulk. The Mac Studio delivers high performance in a form factor that fits any workspace. Community buzz and expectations. The tech world is buzzing with excitement about the M4 Ultra Mac Studio. From Twitter threads to Reddit forums, fans are speculating about the potential use cases, especially for AI development and content creation. Tech enthusiasts and professionals alike are hailing this as the desktop to beat in 2025. The combination of raw power, cutting-edge design, and innovative features has set the stage for another Apple milestone. Final thoughts. The M4 Ultra Mac Studio is shaping up to be more than just a desktop. It's a testament to Apple's vision for the future of computing. With unparalleled power, sleek design, and game-changing features, this device is poised to dominate professional workflows and redefine industry standards. Are you as hyped as we are? Let us know in the comments below what you think about the M4 Ultra Mac Studio. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology Review for the latest updates on Apple's innovations and the future of tech.